Good morning, students. See, the next problem is if r vector is equal to xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector and mod r vector is equal to r. That is, if r vector is the position vector of a variable point x, y, z, then show that del of log r is equal to r vector by r square. Then 3 of the condition is given. So, first you come to the first part. Del of log r is equal to r vector by r square. See, what is given? Given xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector. So, modulus of r vector is equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square. So, modulus of r vector is equal to what's the value? R. So, r is equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square. Now, squaring on both sides. So, what we get? R square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. See, now differentiate partially with respect to u. So, what we get? 2r into dou r by dou x is equal to 2s. So, we get dou r by dou x is equal to x by r. The same way, we have to prove dou r by dou y is equal to y by r, dou r by dou z is equal to z by r. See, now coming to the first part, del log of r is equal to something what we have to prove, is it? So, now you write the formula for del pi. What's the formula for del pi? I vector into dou pi by dou x plus j vector into dou pi by dou y plus k vector into dou pi by dou z. So, here what's the left hand side? Del of log r. So, pi is replaced by log r. So, dou by dou x of log r, dou by dou y of log r, dou by dou z of log r. Now, log r is partial differential with respect to x. Differentiation of log r 1 by r. With respect to x means you write dou x. Then same way with respect to y means you write dou r by dou y. Now, substitute the value dou r by dou y, dou r by dou x, z. Then 1 by r is common taken outside. So, remaining we get xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector divided by r. That r is also taken outside. So, we get r vector divided by r square. Second part, del of r power n is equal to. So, already we know the formula for del pi. So, pi is replaced by r power n. So, we get I vector dou by dou x of r power n plus j vector dou by dou y of r power n plus k vector dou by dou z of r power n. Here, derivative of r power n is equal to how to write n into r power n minus 1 into dou r by dou x. Here also substitute the values of dou r by dou x, dou r by dou y and dou r by dou z. Then what we get is substitute the values means then n into r power n minus 1 is common taken outside. Then write the remaining values. So, write the remaining means xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector, r is taken. So, that is xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector is equal to divided by r. So, r vector divided by r means that is r cap. Is another way, then r is the denominator, we have one r, is it? The numerator means we get n into r power n minus 2 into r vector. Del of r dot a is equal to a vector. First you write r vector, then you write a vector, then you write b vector. Then you find r dot a. Then del of r dot a, find the del r dot a. So, we get a1i plus a2j plus a3k. So, that is equal to a vector. The next part, del of box product of r vector, a vector, b vector is equal to a vector cross b vector. See, first you find box product of r vector, a vector, b vector. See, what's the coefficient of ijk in r vector? X, y, z. Then the coefficient of ijk in a vector, a1, a2, a3. Like that in b1, b2, b3. Now, expand this using matrix method. So, we get this one. Okay. See, here we have to find del of r vector, box product of r vector, a vector, b vector. So, first you have to find dou by dou x of r vector, a vector, b vector. So, we get the derivative of x is equal to 1, write the remaining term. The same way you have to find derivative of y and z is also. See, next you write the formulas form, then substitute the values. That values is equal to the determinant of I, j, k, a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3. Now, just operating this matrix, I vector into a2, b3 minus a3, b2. So, we get this one. This is equal to a vector cross b vector. So, this one is over. The next one. Del of A dot R vector is equal to 2A vector if A vector is equal to alpha xi vector plus beta yj vector plus gamma zk vector. See, in first part what we write, A vector is equal to A1i vector plus A2j vector plus A3k vector. But here A vector value is given. So, using that A vector, you have to find A vector dot R vector. Then you find dou by dou x of A vector dot R vector, like that, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Then you write the formula for del of A vector dot R vector. So we get 2 alpha xi vector plus j into 2 beta y plus k into 2 gamma z. 2 is taken outside. The remaining value is A vector. Okay. See, in the next one, if del pi is given, then we have to find pi. Is it? See, del pi is equal to 5 into r power 3 r vector. Here, we need one formula. That is, we know that del of f of r is equal to f dash of r into r cap. That's the formula. See, what's the formula? Just 1 minute, wait. Okay, see, del pi is equal to what is given, r over 3 into r vector. See, already we know the formula, r cap is equal to r vector divided by modulus of r vector. Here you have to find r vector, means you write r cap dot modulus of r vector is equal to r, is it, r cap into r. So, del pi means generally we have to write del of pi of r is equal to r power 4, 5 r power 4 into r cap. See, first we know one formula. Using that formula, del of pi of r is equal to how to write? Pi dash of r into r cap. So r cap get cancelled. So pi dash of r is equal to what? 5 into r power 4. Now you take the integration. So what we get? Pi dash of the integral of pi dash of r is equal to pi of r. Then here the integral with respect to r. So the integral of r power 4 is equal to r power 5 divided by 5. So 5 get cancelled. So we get that result. Okay. See, next problem. Del pi is given, then find pi of 2. The same way how to do this problem, but here pi of 2 is equal to 4 is given. So substitute the values, then we get to the constant value, then you get the answer. Okay, that's the same model only. You have to do this. Okay, so the next one, if del pi is equal to pi plus in terms of I, j, k format, then pi one condition is given. Pi of 1, 1, 1 is equal to 3. Find pi. See, listen, the previous one, simply the functions is in terms of r is only given. That's it. But here, in terms of I, j, k. So this is easy. So first you write the given del pi. Then you write the formula for del pi. Then comparing the coefficients 1 and 2. So what we get? Dou pi by dou x is equal to y plus y square plus z square. Okay, dou pi by dou x equal to x plus z plus 2xy, dou y plus 2z. So first you take dou pi by dou x. Okay, then you take the integral with respect to x. So here the integral differentiation get cancelled. So we get pi into, here right hand side with respect to x means y into the integral of dx is equal to x. Sorry, that is dou x. Say yx plus y square x plus z square x plus c1. Say dou pi by dou y. Then you are going to write dou pi by dou y, then take the integration, and dou pi by dou z, then take the integration. Now combining 1 and 2, combining 1, 2 and 3, what we get? Collecting all the terms. So we get pi is equal to y plus xy square plus hz square plus zy plus the common constant is c. Integrating constant is c. Now what's the given? Given pi of 1, 1 is equal to 3 is given. So substitute the value of x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 1. So we get c is equal to minus 1. Put c is equal to minus 1 in the above condition. So we get the values of pi. Okay. Thank you. Do the homework problem is also